Hey guys, Doug Bennett, fitactions.com, and today what I'm going to show you is how to throw an overhand right, a power hand the right way, okay? So a lot of you see a lot of MMA fighters doing a lot of power hands, and they do a decent job at it. It's probably the best punch they have, because it's not a lot of volume punching in MMA, it's more wrestling, takedowns, jiu-jitsu, so you need a few good combinations, but really the basics. Because that's who usually wins. A good striker who can hit hard and get out of the way, defend himself, and take down. That's pretty much who wins in MMA. I mean, there's a few guys who knockout punch. You know, McGregor's pretty good for an MMA fighter, and you know, he's got pretty good accuracy. But the overhand right, it is great for boxing and for MMA, and you need to know how to do it. Okay, so here I am to teach you the basics of how to do it and to do it correctly. Overhand right, what I want to do is my hands are up. You always want to set it up, okay? You don't want to just come out with it, okay? For MMA guys, it might be, you know, a fake takedown, overhand right, jab, fake takedown, overhand right. For a boxer, you want to jab into it. You can jab to the stomach, okay? That sets you up because you're already down. Or you can jab to the head, whatever it is, or you can actually throw a right hand and then come back with it. But you always want to set it up, okay? You never want to just throw it. Unless the guy's completely, he's got his hands down and he keeps on dropping it, and you know, he's dropping his hand, then you can throw it. But you really, 99% of the time, you want to try to set it up and get those hands up so then they come down, okay? Because when you throw a jab, the guy's hands come up, throw a jab to the stomach, hands down a little bit, that opens the door, or he gets a lazy jab. Okay, once you jab, he comes back with a lazy one, all right? Or you can just move your head. He pops in, you know, with a bad shot. He pops in like this, you can overhand right there. So anyways, those are the times when you want to throw the overhand right. So what I'm going to do is, the key here is, I'm going to come right from my chin and throw it over, as if it's coming over someone's arm. So if his arm's out here, you want to throw it over. And you're going to go right up here, right for the chin, okay? Right for the eye, right for the chin. And you're going to drop with it. You're going to bring your hips with you, okay? Don't just stay there and go like this, and you'll end up on your face if you miss. You want to always make sure you slide in. So if I jab, I'm going to step and slide in and throw everything from the bottom up. Now it's not a turn like this, okay? It's more of a drop. I'm using my hips to drop down. I am turning, but I'm dropping down, okay? It's not perfect like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it over and drop at the same time as I throw my hip, okay? And that's going to bring me into it. So it's right here, and believe me, I'm really good at this because I'm short, and this is my, you know, the punch I got to use for a little 6-foot guy. So right here, I come up, right here, overhand, drop down. My hands are up here, okay? I'm going to put it down just to show you. Overhand. Alright? Drop. So right here. Drop. Drop. Drop down. Alright? So again, I can throw straight, overhand. Straight sets it up, overhand. Straight sets it up, overhand. When I step in, I bring my whole body. And I can actually, a good way to throw it also, if the guy throws a lazy jab, I can step over more to my left if I'm throwing a right hand, okay? Over here. I'm going to lean my whole body into it. Okay, see how that is? That's quick. Alright, so it's here. So, right here, slip, overhand. Alright? Slip, overhand. That's if he's close to me. Okay? If he's not close to me, what I can do is just step in from that jab. Alright, overhand. My elbows are in, over, over. So that's the basics of the overhand right. Hope you get to use it. Again, if you want to try, just practice, jab, overhand right. Just keep on throwing it. My hands are here. Throw right from here. Overhand. Drop down. Drop down. As you get better, okay, step in. Hope you get to use that. I'll come back with workouts that have the overhand right. Have a good day.